we have our head here, and we've let this set for a good 24 hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to start rounding this down for our neck. Before we do that, we want to mark our center so we don't lose our center, because that's where we're going to put our stick. We're going to mark this way and this way. So we have this. We're going to take this circle here and use it because this is the size we want. So now we have our center. So once we start rounding this down, we won't lose track of our center, and we'll take a punch here. And we're going to put a hole here so we don't lose it when we start sanding it down. So now we got our center. So we're going to start by sanding this down, get it all nice and round, and then we'll come back with the next step. That way this is going to fit inside the body here. Like that. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you get any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.